Welcome to Find Recovery Housing Now KY.org. This tutorial walks you through using this free, user-friendly locator to find near real-time openings at recovery houses in Kentucky. Start by going to the homepage, Find Recovery Housing Now KY.org. Once you're at the homepage, answer the optional fields on the search form. The first field is asking for your role in the recovery housing search. Maybe you're an individual seeking housing, or a friend, family member, or professional seeking housing on someone's behalf. Next, choose the mileage radius, enter a city or zip code, and then choose the population that the house needs to accommodate from the drop-down options. Click on Search and the page will refresh with available recovery houses based on the search options selected. This is the search results page. You'll notice that every search defaults to showing only houses with availability. To turn this off, simply uncheck the box. That way, your search can be expanded if needed. Instead of seeing houses in list format, you can view them on a map. To do so, click on List View and then select Map View. Now, let's go back to the list. You can narrow your search by clicking on Population Served, Payment Types Accepted, and an average rent. In addition, by clicking on more filters, you have access to more than 40 additional filters such as languages spoken, correctional history, if the house allows medication for opioid use disorder, and much more. Below the filters, you'll see the names of the recovery houses nearest to your search location, a brief description of each, the availability status, and more. For those who need additional help with the form, there's a guided search tool on the homepage below the search bar. For a full list of details on a specific house, click on the name. While you're on this page, be sure to look for the green dots. Green dots let you know if that house has availability. Red dots let you know that there are no beds available. Below the dot will be a date when the bed availability was last updated. Along with providing a list of recovery house options, the website also has a resource library with educational training and support services, as well as a glossary of common terms used when seeking recovery housing. Find Recovery Housing Now KY.org marketing materials like stickers, magnets, and flyers are available to download. To find near real-time openings at recovery houses in Kentucky, visit findrecoveryhousingnowky.org.